पॉलिनोमियल एक्सरसाइज 2.4 ऑप्शनल सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है वेरीफाई दैट द नंबर्स गिवन अलोंगसाइड ऑफ द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल बिलो आर द zeros. Also verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficient. And the first part is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. This is the cubic polynomial and we have three numbers 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. First we have to check that these three numbers are zeros of this polynomial or not, and then we have to verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficient. We have to verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficient, means we have to verify the relationship between the zeros of this polynomial and coefficient, that is coefficient of x cube, x square, x and constant term. इनमें एक रिलेशनशिप वेरीफाई करनी है। तो देखिए सॉल्यूशन सबसे पहले तो हमारे पास पॉलिनोमियल जो है उसको हम लिख लेते हैं px इक्वल टू 2x क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 2. To check these numbers are zeros of this polynomial or not, we have to substitute every number in place of x in this polynomial and check whether this polynomial becomes zero on these numbers or not. So to check this, just we have to put first x equal to 1 by 2 in this polynomial. So we have p 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 square minus 5 times 1 by 2 plus 2 into this becomes 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. We can cancel it out as 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. 1 by 4 डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, न्यूमरेटर ऐड होगा 1 plus 1 2 by 4 plus minus 5 by 2 plus 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. यहाँ फिर से आप देखें डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया, न्यूमरेटर सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा 1 minus 5 हो जाएगा minus 4 by 2 plus 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 0. Since at x equal to 1 by 2 polynomial becomes 0, so we can say that x equal to 1 by 2 is a zeros. Similarly, we can check x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. Let's check at x equal to 1 p1. Again we put x equal to 1 in this polynomial. We have 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. पॉजिटिव नंबर्स 2 1 और 2 है, इनको ऐड करेंगे 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5 minus 5 0. At x equal to 1 polynomial again becomes 0, so we can say that x equal to 1 is also a zeros. Now we check for x equal to minus 2. At x equal to minus 2 we check polynomial p minus 2. Here we put x equal to minus 2. 2 into minus 2 cube plus minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 and plus 2. Sorry, we write it again. P minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 cube plus minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 2 cube means we have to multiply minus 2 3 times. Minus minus minus, result will be negative. 2 into 2 into 2 becomes 8. 8 into 2 becomes 16, that is minus 16. and here minus 2 square becomes plus 4. Here minus minus plus 5 into 2 10 plus 2 minus 16. These three numbers are positive. We added 10 plus 4 14 plus 2 16. 16 minus 16 becomes 0. At minus 2 polynomial again becomes 0, so we can say that x equal to minus 2 also a zeros, also a zero. ये हमने एक सेक्शन इसका कंप्लीट किया। इस क्वेश्चन का क्या होगा? तो अब रिलेशनशिप की बात करें तो अगेन वी राइट पॉलिनोमियल px इक्वल टू 2x क्यूब प्लस x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 2. Suppose let zeros of the polynomial are alpha, beta, gamma. We have given zeros, so we can say that alpha equal 1 by 2, beta equal 1 and gamma equal minus 2. Now we know that the relationship between zeros and coefficient. First relationship is sum of zeros, which is equal to minus b upon a for the polynomial px equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. For this polynomial, if zeros are alpha, beta and gamma, then sum of zeros will be minus b by a. What is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Now put all the values of alpha, beta, gamma, b and a. How we can get b and a? We can get b and a by comparing this polynomial 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2 with this polynomial. This standard polynomial of cubic format, that is cubic polynomial general form है ये, जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. इससे हम इसको कंपेयर करेंगे. वी गेट a इक्वल टू 2, b इक्वल टू 1 एंड c इक्वल टू -5, d इक्वल टू 2. नाउ अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा, वी हैव अल्फा 1 by 2, बीटा 1, गामा -2, माइनस b की वैल्यू है 1 अपॉन a की वैल्यू 2. तो 1 by 2 यहाँ पे देखें 1 by 2 अब 1 minus 2 हो जाएगा -1. here -1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1, half minus 1, we get minus half. here also minus half. both sides are equal. First relationship verified here. Now we will check second relationship. And what is second relationship? This is first relationship, this is second relationship. What is second relationship? Second relationship is sum of product of two zeros. Sum of product of two zeros, which is equal to c upon a. Sum of product of two zeros means alpha beta product of two zeros, beta gamma product of two zeros, gamma alpha product of two zeros, and we have to find its sum, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is equal to c upon a. We have alpha 1 by 2, beta 1 plus beta 1, gamma minus 2 plus gamma minus 2, alpha 1 by 2 from there. Now c upon a, what is c? c is -5 upon a is 2. Alpha 1 by 2, beta 1 plus beta 1, gamma minus 2 plus gamma minus 2, alpha 1 by 2 equal to c here -5 upon a 2. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel, -1 equal to -5 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 will be added, we get -3 equal to -5 by 2. -3 upon 1, multiply it, 1 minus 6 upon 2 equal to -5 by 2. Here write it as 1 minus 6 minus 5 by 2. Here also -5 by 2. Both sides are equal, so second relationship verified here. Now we will verify third relationship. To verify third relationship, we will write here third relationship. And what is third relationship? Third relationship is product of zeros equal to minus d upon a. What is product of zeros? The product of zeros is alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus d upon a. What d upon a? What is alpha? 1 by 2, beta 1 and gamma minus 2 equal to minus d is 2 upon a is 2. 2 cancel, 2 cancel, here minus 1, here also minus 1, both sides are equal, so we can say that third relationship is also verified. And now the second part, we have polynomial x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2 and the numbers are 2, 1 and 1. We have to check first that these three numbers are polynomial of the zeros or not, and second we have to verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficient. Let's start. Write polynomial as px equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Now put x equal to, we get p2 equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2, 2 cube 8 minus 4 into 2 square 4 plus 5 into 2 10 minus 2 8 minus 16 plus 10 minus 2. This and this are positive, we add it, we get 10 plus 8, that is 18, minus 16 minus 2 will be added and we get minus 18, and minus 18 minus 18 becomes 0. So we can say that x equal to 2 is a zeros. Now for x equal to 1, we put x equal to 1, we get p1 equal to 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2, positive positive added we get 6, negative negative added we get minus 6, and this becomes 0. So we can say that x equal to 1 is also zeros. Now we will verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. For that, let zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. We have given zeros, we have checked it, so we can say that alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 1 and gamma equal to 1. Now first relationship is sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal minus b by a. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal minus b by a. Alpha is 2, beta is 1, gamma is 1 minus, what is b? Compare it with ax cube. Compare it with ax cube minus bx square plus cx, plus bx square plus cx plus d. We get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 5, d equal to minus 2. So here b is minus 4 upon a is 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4, minus minus plus 4. Both sides are equal, so first relationship verified. Now second relationship. What is second relationship? Sum of product of two zeros. Sum of product of two zeros equal to c by a. Sum of product of two zeros means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. Alpha is 2, beta is 1, beta is 1, gamma is 1, gamma is 1, alpha is 2 equal to c. What is c? Here c is 5 upon a is 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2 equal to 5. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 equal to 5. Second relationship verified. Now third relationship. What is third relationship? Third relationship is product of zeros. Product of zeros equal minus d by a. Alpha into beta into gamma equal minus d by a. What is alpha? Alpha is 2, beta is 1, gamma is 1 equal minus d. What is d? Minus 2. Here minus 2 upon a is 1. 2 into 1 into 1, 2, minus minus plus 2. Third relationship is also verified, and this